Today we are making very soothing a herbal concoction that is good for cold, cough, body pain, or a simple alternative to your everyday tea. I have used some herbs here. You can add, replace, or skip according to the availability or your taste. So let's start and I'll show you all the ingredients that we are going to use. I am using them in powdered form to reduce the boiling time. But I have also kept some in whole so that you can easily recognize them. And some of them are in dried form like rosemary, savory, and thyme. About half a teaspoon of each, a handful of tulsi leaves, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder. I am also adding some fresh ginger, that is about a tablespoon. We are adding 5 dates for sweetness. They also have heating property. And we are adding 2 black cardamoms that we have cracked open. You can also make powder of it and then only 1 cardamom will be enough. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and those are the peppercorns on it. A teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half a teaspoon of carom seeds. We will be using 2 tablespoons of green tea to make it more like a drink and add a lot of freshness to it. A few threads of saffron, that's kesar, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, saunf, and little less than half a teaspoon of long powder, that are cloves. And then we are not adding these, but these are the alternatives you can use in place of khajur or dates, batashe, mishri, jaggery, or raisins. You can also add honey to it, but honey is never cooked. You can add it once the preparation is done or just before drinking. And if you don't have fresh dates, you can use dried dates. You just have to cut them a little and then add. To prepare the kadha, I have added 1 liter of water to a pot for heating. And once it starts boiling, let's add all the ingredients to it. Some other ingredients that can be added to the herbal concoction, that are muletti, which is root of fennel plant, bay leaves or lemongrass. We don't have to boil it too much because we have used ingredients in powder forms. You can always make it with less ingredients, so let's cover it and let it boil for 10 minutes or until the water reduces a little. Our concoction is ready. Using a sift, let's separate the liquid. I'll pour it into a jug and add green tea. Give it a stir and this green tea will settle down in some time. Now this is quite concentrated and we will dilute it by adding some hot water for drinking. So whenever you want to drink, take half a cup of hot water and add some of the concoction, as much as concentrated you like it. Because of the sweetness of the dates, it tastes like a beautiful herbal tea. Even kids would love to have it. You can also add few drops of lemon and enjoy the goodness. And I'm going to add water to the sieved ingredients and make the kadha one more time.